Hi! In an earlier video, I showed you how to import datasets into R. Now that you've learned a bit about how to handle and process data in R, it's time to learn how to export data. For some examples of how to do this in RStudio, let's open up the script file 07 exportingdata.r. As you can see from looking at the source pane, this video is going to be relatively short in comparison to some of my other videos. Given that I have typically found CSV files to be especially easy to use within R, as well as easy to import into other applications, I am focusing on a single command, write.csv. As the name suggests, write.csv is used for exporting, also known as writing, data objects to CSV files. It requires two arguments: the name of the data object that you are exporting and the name of the file to which you wish to export the data. In the first example, no path name is indicated, in which case R creates the new file in your working directory. If you wish to place the new file in a different directory, you will need to include a path name as the second argument, as shown in the second example. If you wish to export data but not as a CSV file, instead of using the write.csv command, you can use the more generic write.table command. Unlike when using write.csv, the value separator is not implied when using write.table. Therefore, you will need to include a sep argument to indicate how the values in your dataset are to be separated. Since much of the work performed with R involves statistical analyses, the next video will provide some examples of statistical analyses that may be easily performed with R.